I want to make a video with just one object, this lighter.
I feel like I have to hold my breath too, but I don't.
Oh, let me try again. Please enjoy the video of the cat laying there.
Where's the zoom in? Oh. You know, just a cat, just chilling, you know. Alright. Sweet dude, my turn.
Haha. I hope you could do it right. Oh, it smells like burning hair now.
Yeah. Alright, well, I'm Sarah. And it's my turn.
I'm posting this on YouTube only.
One more time.
You know, I learned this from that cute guy on the bus. His name is Drew.
Oh my god.
His name is Drew.
One more time.
He did it on the bus and then during gym, so I decided to do it, and I did it on the first try. You're blowing too hard, and you're not leaving it in long enough.
Tastes gross.
Did you just spit on my floor?
Yep, alright.
Don't use up all my lighter fluid, please. I said please. You did a little tiny one.
There was a baby one. Oh well. That's good. Bye.
Bye.